just wants to make one appeal
Yes.
through our channel. Can I, if you
Yes,
allow me,
certainly.
just let
Go
me.
ahead,
आप
go
बताइए क्या अपील करना चाहते हो आप?
मैं एनडीटीवी से गुहार करना चाहता हूँ, अभी भी मेरे जान का खतरा और मेरी सुरक्षा कराई जाए, परिवार की वगैरह सबकी। मैं छोटा आदमी हूँ, घबराहट हो रही है मेरे। ये
आप चाहेंगे कि बस जो ब्लैक बक का केस है उसमें आपको सुरक्षा मिले?
सुरक्षा तो, जान का तो खतरा है ना।
आप गवाही देने को तैयार हैं उसमें?
कोर्ट बुलाएगी तो जाएंगे साहब।
नहीं, पर सुरक्षा भी चाहिए ना?
हाँ, सुरक्षा भी तो चाहिए ना।
Okay. So very important point. He is not the main witness, but he is an important witness in the Black Buck case. And you never know if he says something. It could. I don't know how it legally plays out, but the main thing that he's making the appeal that I'm willing to go to court, but I'm scared even today, and I want protection. आपने सुरक्षा के लिए कहा है, ये मैं कह सकती हूँ. Yeah. So back to you in the studio.
All right, Harshad, don't go anywhere, because I think that really is the crux of the matter now. What happens next? The court, of course, observing that he was not present, that a key witness was not present, and partly the acquittal was based on the fact that we didn't hear, or the court didn't hear the driver's testimony again. Have you spoken to him about why, whether he was at all asked to be present in court in the most recent of hearings?
No, he was not. अभी आपको कोई बोला था कोर्ट ने कि आप अभी प्रेजेंट हो? हाई कोर्ट में बुलाया था क्या आपको?
नहीं।
हाँ?
नहीं।
खाली आपको लोअर कोर्ट में ही बुलाया था?
ऐसी पड़ती है, मैं टाइमो टाइम जाता हूँ तो बस एक दो चुका हूँ, बाकी तो जाता ही हूँ।
लेकिन पिछली बार जिरह के टाइम बुलाया था, उस टाइम आप नहीं जा चुके थे? हाँ.
पिताजी को उस समय तो धमकी मिली तो मैं नहीं गया।
So when he was called during the cross-examination, when the defense had to cross-examine him, that's when he received a threat and he didn't go. So that was very critical, that he did not go to court when he had to be cross-examined by the defense, and so the fact that he didn't turn up was then that's what weakened the case.